In this video, I will show you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do first is come across to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see your current plan. So you can see I'm currently logged in and I've currently got ChatGPT Plus. What you want to do is give your name a click down here in the bottom left hand corner and then come and click onto settings. Once the settings window is opened, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and come and click onto accounts down at the bottom. On the account section, if you look at the top, it's going to tell you your current plan and it's going to tell you when it's due to renew and the current price you're paying. Now all you need to do is come up to the top, you're going to see a manage button next to your current plan. Give that a click and you're going to see an option here to cancel subscription. So what you want to do is give that a click. At this point, a window is going to pop up with a confirmation. As you can see, it says if you cancel your subscription now, your Plus access will end on December the 25th, 2025. For yourself, it's basically going to cancel after your next due to be billed. Any discounts applied will be removed and can't be used again. So at this point, all you need to do is simply click onto cancel subscription, and that's going to go ahead and cancel your ChatGPT subscription, whether that's for ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro. So that's how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.